are fresh in from Japan, and I want to show you what's in the box. Oh, look at that. That Marcata handle and sweet, sweet blade. I love the way the Tomahogany has the metal go all the way through the handle. That is sick. Okay, look at that blade. This is the Kyoto, which is the highest level of Tomahogany. Look at that mirror polished wave edge and all those layers. Wow, I like it. And the other box, okay, we've got the matching chef knife. Oh yeah, really, really sweet. I want to show you the finish of this knife. Okay, and there's a lot of people out there with knives. There's knife makers, there's knife dealers, there's chefs with knives, there's all this different stuff, but very, very few of them have something like this. This is really cool. So save up for something like this, and when you get it, you'll be like, wow, perfect balance, perfect feel, perfect fit. This knife is amazing. There you go. Tomahogany. Only the high quality stuff available. ChefDepot.com. Nice. Extra thick maple edge grip. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.